Okay, YouTubers, here it is. The HYE 1500L 96 volt model. Getting its break-in period here. We got light winds, actually real light, and then a gust up to 14, so it's getting it to spin it, moving it around a little bit. It's all wired in. It actually kicks on my inverter. I do not have the proper wind curve programmed into the inverter right now. It's the old one from the Tessa piece of junk that they sell. So that's it. I got two guide wires coming down, as you can see there, and then the third one actually is the pulley system in the back that pulls the opposite direction. So the only thing I have to worry about now is I have to go back and top my tree, or put on the second section, fourth section actually, bring that 40 feet, 10 feet higher. That is a total of 30 feet to the platform, and then 5 feet to the turbine, 35 feet up. That is at the top of that tree, and my neighbor's tree over by the house there, in between the houses, is there, because that right there is a 40-foot flagpole, and it's right up at its same height, actually looking over. So I'll take you up there, and you get to see what I see from around here from the wind. We have trees in the surrounding area, without a doubt. So, but I'm trying to climb this single-handedly. Get up here. Hopefully I don't fall. And I'm doing it in the worst clothes I can, a pair of sweats, and I'm wearing my wife's Crocs on top of it, which I hardly ever use. So, here we go. This is good exercise, I guess, huh? Up to the top here, get a look around. Not many people that do wind turbines give you this perspective. I don't know why. They should be able to climb their own tower, I guess. So here we are, nearing the peak. Get up one more step, grab the base. All right, so we're here at the base of the tower, right here. The wind turbine is only a few feet above us. Of course, there's no wind now hitting me. So this is from the platform, not me doing anything to it. That's pretty level. So as you can see, we're definitely above the roof of my house. Flagpole is pretty much close to even. Or it looks like it's a little bit, actually, probably got a foot or two on us from 40 feet. So my neighbor's house, the tree in between, is pretty even, if not a little bit taller. And of course, this thing right here, my next hurdle will be to cut this, because that's sitting on the platform. So, I mean, a few feet higher. That's just below the wingtip, blade tip of the rotor, as you can see right there. So I've got to cut off a few feet from that tree. I can go up there and top the growth of that, cut it down about probably a good 8 feet, 10 feet. I'll take off that. Out here to the west, or excuse me, northeast right there, going due north right there. You can see how far trees are away from the house. This is a barrow yard around us. Then it goes out to the trees by the water line. Let me turn this thing around. I don't want to let go of the tower myself. So then we got the other direction. We got southeast, which I get majority of the weather is from the south and southwest up here. So as you can see the distance, I'll give that 200, 300 yards to the far trees, at least 350, if not 400 yards for some of those out there. That is off. Those trees out there you're looking at, those are actually 110. I did a drone, it was 110 feet. So they're way over top. That's majority where my wind comes from, right here all the way to here. So these are pretty much even with us, and then those of course get higher and higher, and the ones way back there, that's probably at least 350 or 400 yards out there, is those large trees. So otherwise, when the wind comes out of the south, it's due south right there. When it comes out, anything off the coast comes up there, man, it's wide open, rips through here. So this is the other part that's protected a little bit from the winds. It's pretty far over there, but when the winds cut across that and come back down, it goes blowing through here. So, and then of course out that way you're looking beyond that tree line there is water beyond it, so there's no really trees beyond that. And it goes gaps for about a quarter mile on the river. So that's it. Now I have to there's my guide wires. Put the 1/4-inch cable down to 5-gallon buckets that are buried in the ground. That's the wiring system. If you want to see inside there, that's what the wires look like up in there. I don't know what that looks like. Anyway, that's it. And pretty light winds, like I said before. Now we're going to go, actually I'm going to call it quits, shut the camera off, and then climb back down. So that's it for now. And let me see if I can get a turnaround view of this whole thing. So as you saw, these are the mounting plates for it and everything. And there's the turbine itself, looking good. Spins nice and freely. Now, like I said, in this break-in period, we'll let it ride for a while, even with the program I have going. But that's it for now. Shut this thing off.